Statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is the science which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numeric data. What is data? Data is a set of given facts in numerical figures. Let's see types of data. There are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. Primary data is the data which I collect for my use, and secondary data is the data collected by a person for me. For example, a company owner tells his subordinate to bring the most experienced employee of the company for giving a presentation for a national government project. So here we can see that the company owner tells his subordinate to bring the data. Subordinate is bringing the data for the company owner. Company owner, if he brings the data directly, it will be primary data. But if someone else or the subordinate is bringing the data for the company owner, it will be secondary data. Let's see some important terms. Range. The difference between the maximum and the minimum values of a variable is called its range. Variate. A particular value of the variable is called its variate. Frequency. Number of times the observation is occurred or recorded in an experiment or study is known as frequency. Array. Array is an arrangement of data in ascending or descending order of its magnitude. Frequency distribution is the tabular arrangement of data showing the frequency of each observation. Presentation of data. Putting the data in condensed form or in the form of tables is known as presentation of data. There are more two types of data, raw or ungrouped data and grouped data. As we can see, raw or ungrouped data is like unorganized clothes. Ungrouped data is organized clothes. Ungrouped data. It is the data you first gather from an experiment or study. The data is raw, that is, it is not sorted or organized into categories or classified into groups. An ungrouped set of data is basically a list of numbers, as we can see here. 1, 2, 6, 1, 9, etc. are a list of numbers. Grouped data. Grouped data is just the opposite of ungrouped data, which means grouped data is putting the data in more condensed form, that is, making groups of the suitable size. Grouped data is of two types, exclusive data and inclusive data. Exclusive data, by the name we can see here, that it excludes something. What does it exclude? It excludes the value of upper limit. For example, if we take the class interval 10 and 20, in this, we will have the numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, which means we will not have the upper limit 20 in exclusive form of grouped data. But if we take inclusive data, we can see it is including something. So, what is it including? It is including the upper limit, which is 20. So, in the class interval 10 to 20, it will include the numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, which is the upper limit. Thank you.